Hello everyone, and thank you so much for joining my channel. We've been talking about beauty this whole time during Vlogmas. Today is no different because we're opening up this advent calendar, and what I've been doing is showing you this stuff on my camera, B-roll, real time. Let me clean off the lens so you can see it, and I think it's pretty fun. At least I think it's pretty fun for you to see my organic and immediate reaction to this opening it up. Then we have something else to talk about. I usually talk about this every year. Usually I talk about it a little bit earlier in the Christmas season, but we're gonna cover it today, but it's after this. So let's go ahead and open. So today is day 22 of Vlogmas, so therefore we are looking for the 22 labeled thingy, so not on top, which I was hoping it would be on top. Makes it easier. Boom, right here. Let's see what we got. And I usually read the little ditty that's on the box. Listen, this is beyond hard to do with one hand. All right. Oh, my screen. All right. Move that. Okay. Our community fair trade mango seed oil is sourced from, where is that? Wherever that is in India. Local women's cooperatives are trained in harvesting methods to skillfully hand pick and crack the fruit, ensuring the mangoes? Okay. Ensuring maximum product, now I'm all messed up. Ensuring the maximum amount of powerful oil is extracted. So cracking it, maybe it's the seed? I don't know, but we'll see. We'll see what this is. This sounds like it's gonna be a mango oil product, right? But it's not always exactly it. Okay, let's see. Boom. Mango hand balm for dry skin, 96-hour nourishing moisture. Yeah, I really like mango. My son confessed to me not too long ago that he does not like mango, and I'm like, dude, I'm gonna take your Haitian card away. He doesn't like plantains, he doesn't like mango. I'm like, whose kid are you? So today we're going to be talking about my Christmas wish list. I usually do this pretty early on. One, as a cheat sheet for the people who know and love me. And it's not like they really actually get the things from this list, but it's fun to just put it out there in the universe just in case. But, well, actually, that's a lie. This advent calendar has been on my list for quite some time, and my girlfriend got me that. So it does work. But let me get into my wish list for 2023. With it being just a few days away, I doubt that I will see any of these unless I somehow win the lottery and I'm able to gift it to myself. But let's get right into it. I kind of broke it down into categories for ease. The very first one is fragrances. And you've seen me over the past couple of years purchase so many fragrances, and you would think that I had enough, and how could one body consume that much fragrance? But I do. I mix it all up and I use them every day. I even wear fragrance to bed sometimes. So just rest and be assured that they do get used. So fragrance, Creed Carmina is one that came out this year that I really love. And I have a list of fragrances that I need to get my nose on, and once I smell them, I put a little notation for myself if I want to buy a full bottle at some point, and Creed Carmina is on the list. YSL Blouse, I just got my nose on that when I was in the UK, and gorgeous, beautiful. All of these are stupid expensive, I recognize that, but I still love them. The nose wants what the nose wants, you know. And then Celine Le Peau Nu is one. Again, most of these have rose in them, or they are molecular, so just you'll see the running theme as I go through it. If you ever look up the notes for these, you'll see the theme that's running through them. Le Labo, another 13. It's a molecular one. I think it has the ISO E Super in there. I don't know what it has in there, but it's one of those molecular ones, really nice. And then Frederic Malle Lipstick Rose. I got my nose on that one when I was in the UK, and just lovely. Celine Le Peau Nu, I also got my nose on that when I was in the UK. All of those very gorgeous, and all of those are ridiculously expensive for fragrance, but I love what I love. Let's move on. The next one is in the category of like jewelry. I guess they all fit in jewelry. Is the Aura Ring. The Aura Ring is still on my list. It's been on my list for what, 2 years now? I think maybe even 3. And the reason why it's on my list is because, one, it's a really cool idea. It's one of those smart health monitor type things. It's like your smartwatch. It tells you your steps, your sleep, your fertility, all the things, right? But it's on a ring, and then you see it on your app. blah blah blah. So the reason why I'm interested, because I want to ditch this watch at some point. I want to be able to wear my nicer watches that I do. I own so many watches, it's ridiculous, but I'm addicted to wearing the one that measures all of my vitals and all the good things. So if I had a ring, then I could, you know, wear this watch, and I don't have to do like look stupid with double watches, because sometimes I do the double watch thing just so I can continue to measure all of my vitals, as well as have the nice watch on. So anyway, Oura Ring, and the only concern I have about Oura Ring is one, sizing. I think the smallest size is a 6, and I'm not sure that any of my fingers are a size 6. I'll have to measure. But then also the fact that it has a monthly subscription. I don't know how I feel about that though. You know, you have to. The watch itself was already expensive. Now you want me to pay a monthly fee? Anyway, a new earrings stack. I'm one of those people that really like for all of them to be the same and match. So when I do buy some, they'll have to be, first of all, I have to get 9 earrings, because that's how many piercings I have. Some of them have to be flat back, some of them don't have to be, whatever the case may be. And I want them all to match. So I want to get a whole new stack for my ears. And then the last one is the Cartier tank watch. I've been talking about getting another Breitling watch, but somebody made a good point. It's really good to kind of mix it up and get different brands. So I'm thinking about getting a Cartier watch instead of Breitling. And I don't know what other watches I might be interested in, but that will probably be next on the list. And to me, in comparison to the watches that are out there that are the luxury watches, Cartier is a decent price. Now, as far as shoes goes, I have a couple of pairs of shoes. We've been talking about my sneaker journey for quite some time. It's been years now since I've been talking about my sneaker journey. I think my very first or second year here on YouTube, so year 1 or 2 out of 6. I did a showing of my gym shoe collection, just, you know, for the sake of it. I was showing all my other shoes. I was like, let me show my sneakers. And overwhelmingly, people thought my sneaker collection was whack. And so I felt like I needed to do something about that. I didn't think that my shoes properly represented my personality. So I've been replenishing and fixing that since, and it's been a never-ending journey. There's no destination. It's a journey to having a really good sneaker collection. That said, there are a couple that have been piquing my interest, and one is a pair of Dunks. I still haven't gotten a pair of Dunks, and I don't have a pair of yellow sneakers, so I think I would probably lean towards the colors that I don't really have, and that would be, and I have green and I have purple, but not in materials that are durable. So if it were not yellow, then it would be green or purple, but so yellow are the ones on my list. And then the Jordan 4s, it could be anything that has like blue and or gray on it. So it could be white and blue, gray and blue, blue and gray, like one of those, just any in that family. But I wanted to have like a cool, calm kind of vibe to it. And then for the next category, I have electronics. Weird to say this, because I just said I wanted an Oura Ring, but I doubt that I'll get an Oura Ring. So a smartwatch, another Fitbit, an upgraded Fitbit would be great. I'm not an Apple product kind of a person, so that's why I didn't say an Apple Watch, but I do need to get a smartwatch. I want to upgrade my iPad. I need a laptop, a personal laptop. So for electronics, smartwatch, iPad, laptop, that's what I'm looking at. Then for clothing and accessories, I'm sure you're like, why would that be on your list? Because you kind of have everything and anything and everything and all things all at the same dang time. How could you have a list? I do have a list. And one thing I would like is this skirt made out of neckties that Rowing Blazer does very well. It's stupid expensive. So what I'll probably do is figure out a way to get somebody to make it for me. Just basically buy a hoop skirt, a bunch of ties from the thrift store, and see if they can sew them down on top of the skirt for me, DIY it. Otherwise, you know, if somebody's willing to buy me that Rowing Blazer skirt, I wouldn't say no. I'm a size 0, extra small, going for it. Otherwise, and then the other thing on here is the mini Chloe test bag in a brown color. I'm still looking for that. I got a C by Chloe purse that's a backpack that's sort of a brownish, orangish kind of a color that kind of looks like it, but it ain't it. So it's funny how I do that. I'll get something thinking it'll scratch the itch, and then it doesn't. I still want the Chloe test bag, so it's still on my list. I was very close to buying it. A friend of mine works for Bloomingdale's, and they had like a friends and family sale, and it took it all the way down with tax and everything. It took it all the way down to like $900 and something, which is way cheaper than the bag. You know, it's like, I forget how much it is, $2,500, $2,700, whatever it is. I still couldn't pull the trigger. 900 and something is still too much for me. So anyway, I didn't get the bag, and I'm not sure how else I would get the bag at a price that I feel is reasonable. So, but it's on my list. Next thing is miscellaneous. I've talked about this for many a year, and it's a full spa day. And when I say spa day, I mean every service possible: facial, massage, getting a manicure, getting a pedicure, getting my hair done, just like everything from head to toe that you could get done in a spa, I would like to get done in a day, and just spend the whole day there. Like, just do every service that makes sense for me. And then, yeah, I don't know. Is that a thing that people want? I don't know, but I want it. I feel like I've worked hard enough in my life to have earned such a thing. So a spa day. And then these are my big ticket items, which I don't think will happen, but big ticket items. A trip to Dubai, Italy, or France. All three, any one, some, I don't know, but those are on the list. A custom closet, redo my closet. I have a really big closet. You guys have seen it several times before. Usually it's in disarray, and that's just because the I don't know, it just, the functionality of it has outgrown how I actually use my space. So I feel like I would love to get it redone so that it just makes more sense with how I actually utilize my things. So, custom closet. And then redoing my kitchens and baths, and that's on the list too. So, and you probably can peek here and see a little bit of it in the distance here. My fireplace, I want to redo my fireplace as well. So that's 3 bathrooms, a kitchen, and a fireplace I'd like to do. So again, that's obviously, if any of you have done any home renovations, you will know that that is considered a big ticket item to do all of those all at once, all at the same time. That's a lot. So that's the end of my wish list. That's a long wish list, and I think it just feels good to just get it off my chest. I don't expect to get them or anything like that, but it just feels good. And then just also share with you, help you to get to know me, and then you can let me know what's on your wish list. Help me get to know you. So down in the description box below, go ahead and comment. Let me know what's on your wish list for this year. Let me know if we have anything alike on our wish list this year. Subscribe if you haven't already. Share with a friend. Hit the like button. Bye.